Trusscore is a material sciences company focused on sustainable building materials. We develop and manufacture wall and ceiling panels that are easy to install, reusable, and a high-performance replacement for drywall. The buildings material industry in general is pretty slow moving, and we're not. We're kind of breaking the rules. Before NetSuite, we had multiple systems that didn't talk to each other. We had frequent errors in orders being entered because you were entering them manually into one system and then the other system. A lot more work, a lot less reliable. We chose NetSuite because we knew we could trust the financials and it had the flexibility with the platform to take us where we want to go. We're manufacturers, we have multiple subsidiaries, multiple locations. We use NetSuite ERP for pretty much the whole business. We update the schedule and ship date on the sales orders, and then that feeds into production. We use inventory management. We can easily see exactly how much we have on hand. We create all the work orders in NetSuite. We plan and schedule our shipments. All our financials are done through NetSuite. We use NetSuite Analytics Warehouse today to publish revenue numbers that are critical to how the business operates. It's pretty much pervasive throughout the whole business. The NetSuite platform is the most powerful business platform I've ever seen, and their commitment to investing in AI makes me comfortable that we'll be able to handle whatever comes next.